RILY stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Generally just looking at RILY, man, this is pumping very nicely at 15% up, but let's be real here for a second. Beforehand was a sell side, and RILY would only freaking matter to me unless it's like something bullish if the price gives the rules. Now I'll just mark up simply the top. Here's a 30-minute, 15-minute short. Okay, this is sick. This is my demand zone. So only if I do see the price pulling into my demand and giving me some sort of a double break, and I'm talking about like a 5-minute chart or whatever, then and only then is where I pull the trigger and I just double down on this. And guess what? If my rules are not met, then there's just no way I'm buying. All I will be doing in the meantime altogether is just waiting for rules to be met. So that's how RILY is looking like for me. This is not financial advice. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.